Perfectly perched to relish in north-facing aspects, this beautifully renovated property offers a stunning blend between modern comforts and classic charm. Hi, I'm Ruben.
And I'm Taryn from Scion Realty, and welcome home to 38 Belleden Place. Tucked away in one of the Noosa hinterland's most sought-after pockets, this home offers a rare opportunity to enjoy the best of both worlds. A serene and private acreage lifestyle with all the amenities you need within easy reach. This Cooroy gem is the perfect pairing between style and substance and is one not to be missed.
We look forward to taking you through.